Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will talk about binary search. Now let us see the binary search algorithm. It can only be performed on a sorted list, which is one of the basic criteria for performing binary search. It uses divide and conquer technique to search list. Here the search item is compared with the middle element of list. If search item is less than middle element of list, search is restricted to the first half of the list. If search item is greater than middle element of list, search second half of the list. If search item equal to middle element, search is complete. Here, to determine whether 75 is in the list, first the mid index is found, that is pointing to the fifth index in our case, but 75 is not at the mid, so the search list becomes smaller, that is from the index 6 to index 11. And now if we want to find the item 75, the search list will become smaller and smaller, and finally we will obtain the item. Now let us see a C++ code of binary search. It has three parameters: list, list length and key. Here we take a local variable first equal to 0, last equal to list length minus 1, a mid variable found equal to false has been initialized. We have taken a while loop, first less or equal to last and not found, mid equal to first plus last divided by 2. If list of mid equal to key, then found is true, else if list of mid greater than key, then last equal to mid minus 1, else first equal to mid plus 1. If found is true, then return mid, else return minus 1. Here consider this array. If key is 89, 3 iterations are performed and 2 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 5 comparisons are performed. Similarly, for key equal to 34, there are 4 iterations taking place and 7 comparisons being performed. If key is 22, 4 iterations take place and 6 comparisons are performed. Now performance of binary search algorithm. This is the array. If key is not equal to list of 499, key is less than list of 499, then the search list becomes 0 to 499. So first is 0, last is 498 and mid is 249. If key is greater than list of 249, then the search list becomes even smaller and the first is 250 and last is 498. Suppose that L is a list of size 1 lakh. Suppose that L is a list of size 10 lakh. Since 10 lakh is equivalent to 1048576, which is equal to 220, it follows that the while loop in binary search will have at most 21 iterations to determine whether an element is in L. Every iteration of the while loop makes 2 key comparisons. To determine whether an element is in L, binary search makes at most 42 item comparisons. On the other hand, on an average, a linear search will make 5 lakh key comparisons to determine whether an element is in L. So this was all about searching. Thanks for watching the tutorial.